this video. In this video, I will share a great tips on how to make your Android phone battery last longer. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on settings right here. Settings. Then having clicked on settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll and make sure you look for battery and power saving. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, one of the first things you need to take into consideration to boost your battery life on your Android phone, so is to simply click on power boost right there. Click on power boost. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on turn on power boost automatically. So simply click on that and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here to turn on. Then you can set battery level for auto enabling. So you can increase the level to about, I'm going to put it in 31, 32% and then hit on go back. And then we have successfully turned this one right on. And make sure you turn off power boost automatically. Make sure this is also enabled. Then you can go back and then next thing you want to do here is to go to battery saving settings. So click on that. It's going to take you right here. Then make sure power saving management apps. So make sure this is turned on. That is, each app that you are working on, they do not consume much in battery on your phone. Intelligently manage background apps to reduce power consumption. So make sure you turn this on, and at the same time, make sure you click on sleep standard by optimization. So click on that, and then make sure you turn on this particular button. Then automatically set to your sleep habit. So click on that, and this will reduce the battery consumption on your Android phone. You can simply go back. Then make sure adaptive battery is enabled. Short video optimization here is enabled. Lastly, at this section here, simply click on battery saver right here. So click on battery saver and make sure you turn on this particular button. So once you turn on this button, you are going to see the indicator of battery saver on your Android phone battery from the home screen. It's as simple as that. So you can also check on your battery optimization right here to optimize apps with your battery lifespan. So let's check. So you have some of the app right here that you can optimize with your battery. Battery optimization not available. Not every app that allow this, but if you have any app that allow battery optimization, simply select on that and then you are good to go. So I'm going to simply select WhatsApp right here. Then it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on not optimize, then click on all apps. Then you have it right here. You can select each of the app. Optimize battery use. Recommended for better battery life. Click on done. That is that. Then you can select as many as possible apps right here. Now, not optimized may drain your battery more quickly. App will no longer be restricted from using background battery. So make sure you optimize. This is also optimized. You can check on all the apps on your phone and make sure they are all optimized. So because optimized here allow your battery lifespan to be good. So you can scroll down. These are all optimized apps on your Android phone. So you can go back to not optimized. These are apps that consume your battery in the background. So you can click on them and check them out. But most time, some of the app right here, they cannot be. So some of these app right here, you can simply optimize them to reduce the battery consumption of the phone. And for you to do that, simply click on each of the app and it's going to load up. So let's, for instance, I want to optimize this. Then make sure you optimize battery. So click on optimize, click on done. You can go on and check some of the app that you can simply optimize them with your battery. It's as simple as that. So let's simply go back right here to the home page. Then go back here. So right here, the last one we have right here is battery settings right here. So battery percentage, show battery percentage on status bar, just like what you see right here. This is also good. Then this will allow you to know the kind of percentage battery you have on your phone. Low battery shutdown warning. You will be warned 30 seconds before shutdown due to battery low. So make sure this is also enabled. And battery charging completing too. So if you will like your phone to give you a sound each time the battery is full when you plug it, then you can simply turn on this, and each time your phone is 100% charged completely, you will have a sound that is going to notify you. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are the great tips on how you can improve the battery life of your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.